Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon HeartGold on your phone. First, you'll need to download a Nintendo DS emulator application from your phone's App Store. There are several reliable options available for both Android and iOS devices. Make sure your phone has enough storage, typically around 200 megabytes for the app and game file combined. Once installed, you're ready for the next step in setting up your mobile adventure. Next, you'll need to find a Pokémon HeartGold ROM file. Remember to only acquire ROMs for games you already own. Once you have the file, transfer it to your phone, usually into a specific folder created by your emulator app. Open the emulator, navigate to the folder where you saved the ROM and select the game. It should load up, and you'll be ready to start your journey through the Johto region. To enhance your gameplay, take some time to explore the emulator's settings. You can often adjust graphics quality, frame rates, and audio options to suit your device. Customizing the on-screen controls is also crucial. Arrange buttons for maximum comfort and accessibility. For an even better experience, many players find that connecting an external Bluetooth controller significantly improves precision and overall enjoyment, especially during battles. Finally, remember to save your progress frequently, using both the in-game save feature and the emulator's save states. This protects your hard-earned progress. If you encounter issues like lag or crashes, try adjusting your emulator settings, perhaps reducing graphics quality. Many online communities and forums offer solutions for common problems, so don't hesitate to search for help if you get stuck. Enjoy your adventure in Johto.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.